Oh, noise foaming.
You're like J-Town. Like, wind up halfway through the cycle.
I will say that was cooler than I thought it was.
Yeah.
Hearing all the 2001.
And you know, that DC over in the industrial park was kicking ass.
Like, I thought it was kicking that thing's butt.
I know.
I wasn't impressed on how well that carried.
No, I know.
DC.
Not bad. So here we are out in the middle of a fucking cornfield. Look at that.
Cars are way.
Where are the cars? I think we're closer to the 130 than we are to the cars. They're way over there. That was foam. That was hot. That was really hot.
Imagine if Goshen had more than just 2001.
I know, yeah. We gotta start doing these more often.
I do want to get back to the I-Forces and drone them.
Ooh,
at
yeah.
the fairgrounds.
Yep.
That's on my list of Noi doesn't work on Thursdays.
Oh boy.